Said hello back. Now ask her her name. What the hell is that? Are we done? I don't know what you're doing. That's not even. I'm glad we rehearsed, but that's right. Now take it off, lady. Round of applause for Lilia Brown. And that's where the band comes in. But apparently not now. I am retiring. So, will you please welcome to the stage the Olympic gold medalist, the world's oldest gymnast, Miss Nadia Comas. Come on out, Nadia. Say hi, everybody. That's the cue, Eric. Nadia Comas is the cue. Comas. Nadia Comas. Cue 3. So it's all the music from '73? What are we doing there, Eric? Why are we in the dark? Oh, hi. Okay, let's get the cues right before you improvise. I'm screwing with you. You know, like this poor guy, he's got a million shows today, so anything we get is it's warm in here, isn't it? Is that because I'm going to hell? Is it warm? Say hello. Hello. Very good there, very good. I'd like you to welcome Willie, of course. Yes. I'd like to welcome Willie, of course, by saying hello, Willie. Hello, Willie. Very good there, very good. Let's talk about this. I was with someone for, I don't know if you can tell, I'm you know, Jewish. And I am not racist. I did date a black guy. Well, he was half black. It sucked because he was like half black from the waist up. I called him my African. I'm sitting in the middle of the bus. He will love that joke. Anyway.